It's Thredup Thursday, and today we're going to open one of my favorite Thredup rescue boxes, and that is the Thredup Fun Box. It truly has to be probably my favorite box. Listen, y'all know I love jewelry, and I love opening jewelry for you on the channel. I just opened a Goodwill Blue Box on Tuesday. If you happen to miss that video, I will link that above so you can go back and check it out. But the fun boxes are really what got me started ordering Thredup boxes to begin with. And even before I started my YouTube channel, I would order them and open them with my friend over Zoom. So, hi Jill. Anyways, so this is one of my favorite ones. I love doing them like twice a month on the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy it too. If you're not familiar with the Thredup Fun Box, you're guaranteed 10 miscellaneous items for $34 plus shipping plus tax. So for me, I end up all in around the $50 mark. I've gotten amazing items in these boxes before, and I've gotten some items that are just kind of average. So you never really know what you're going to get. I think my favorite personal item that I've gotten was, many of y'all know I love Tiffany, was a Tiffany passport holder in one of these boxes. So fingers crossed for some awesome items, and let's get into it. Had to grab my box cutter, so now we're ready to go. This one, of course, is coming from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. I feel like all of the rescue boxes are coming from there, I don't know, since the fall. So this was one of my most recent ones, and we will see if there's a receipt in here, and I'll tell you when I ordered it. So let's cut the tape. Mechanicsburg is notorious for just putting one piece of tape across the top, and we will give you guys first peeks. If there's anything you see that you want to purchase in this box, I do sell directly from my YouTube videos. I will be giving pricing throughout, either verbally or on the screen. And if you want to order anything, you just need to send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I see the receipt right on top. This one I ordered on January 8th, so super recent. Okay, I'm going to scoot over, and I'm going to give y'all first peek. Okay, here we go. Tissue. Oh, it doesn't have the winter tissue in it. Okay, so they must be out of their winter tissue. I got like 5 pieces in my last one. All right, here we go. Oh, that looks really fun. Oh, I'm getting excited about this. I'm going to pause for just a second and take a thumbnail. I'll be right back. Okay, so hopefully one of those thumbnails turned out. I only took like 2 or 3, so we'll see. All right, you guys, this is calling me right off the bat because it's so colorful. Looks like we had like a laptop case. Y'all, I mean, this is like graffiti. I don't have any idea what this says. I don't know. It's like sometimes when I know how to write and read cursive, but sometimes I can't read cursive, you guys. So I feel like this is the situation. Actually, fun fact, when I was in 3rd grade, that's when they taught like cursive. I got pulled out for like, I don't know what they call it, but where they think that you're smart. They put you in these classes where we would learn like origami and like things like that. I hated it because I would come back and I would miss all my cursive lessons, you guys. I didn't like missing like the regular school. So I was only in it for like a year or 2, and then I begged my mom to please take me out. I couldn't stand it. They even bused us to like another school. It was super weird. Anyway, okay, so I will have to do a Google. Oh, hello. It's a Calvin Klein. Is that what this says? No, that doesn't say Calvin Klein. I don't know. I'll try to figure out what this says and put it on the screen, but this is a CK Calvin Klein laptop case. It looks like it is new. Let's see. Oh, look. There's something else on the inside. There's 2 cases. This one's really pretty. It's like the ocean. And this one's more like what you could use for like a cosmetic bag. I don't see any branding, but like a cosmetic bag or like a pencil bag or something like that. So I will have a price on the screen for this one. And then if anyone's interested in this one, we'll just do this one for $3. Okay. Yay. All right. I love that case, even though I don't even know what it says. All right. Next up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You guys, I think was it my last box? I got like a pet thing. We have a pet jersey. This is for UCLA. This is like the collegiate, like officially licensed pet jersey. It was at TJ Maxx for 20 bucks. This is for an extra large dog, 26 to 30 in length, girth 26 to 32, and neck 18 to 20. So if you have a dog who's a UCLA fan, or if you're a UCLA fan, this is perfect for you. So if anyone's interested in this one, we'll just do this one for $5. That's fun. Love that. I don't know who 00 is, unless that's just like, you know, a generic number for your pet. Okay. Let me give you another peek. Looks like we have some sheets or something, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. We may also have a blue themed box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look. I think it is. And you guys, look what I'm wearing today, you all. I'm wearing blue. Okay. I really wanted to stack pearls and turquoise today. That is what I was feeling. But then when I went in my closet, I put this sweater on. So I guess I still could have done turquoise and pearls, but then I felt lapis. So I've got in some gorgeous lapis earrings stacked with a pearl. I've got my little pearl headband, and then I like layered my pearls with my lapis pen. Y'all, I need more lapis. I really wanted to just stack like this string of lapis with it. I don't have one, y'all. So I'll be on the lookout for that when I'm at my thrift. I've got on my lapis ring, my pearl ring, and then my pearl bracelet. So I'm kind of pearled out. I was really feeling pearls today. They make me happy. So anyways, I'm dressed blue, and I got a blue themed box. Like, what are the chances? Okay. I feel like, let's do this next. Looks like we have a sports bra. Really nice. This is by Champion. I think this is the one that they carry at Target. Let's see. New with tags. $22.99. What size is this one? Says it's power shape. And this is a size small. Got 3 different colors of blue in it. Really pretty. And then the back is like this little mesh. And this is like the structured, it's got a structured top. Okay. So if anyone's interested in this one, let's do this one for $8. Okay. Yay. New with tags. Ooh, it looks like there might be some jewelry in here. Let's pull this out next. Y'all, we have a little like beanie, like ski hat, and it says Colorado. It's got a little Colorado tag. Oh, and look, when it folds up, it's got the little C for Colorado, and it's got the little palm on the top. Also new with tags. This was $12.95. So if anyone's interested in this one, we'll just do this one for $5. That's fun. Maybe you're going to go skiing or something over spring break. You need that. All right, you guys, I'm so excited about this sheet set, okay? All right. This is a duvet cover. Even better. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is the college line for Pottery Barn. Y'all, we got Pottery Barn. This is awesome. Okay. This is the Trevor Plaid Organic Duvet Cover. And this is in a twin. It says PB Dorm. This is like their college line. This is so awesome. This, you guys, was at least $100. I don't know where the tag is on this. I will look it up and I will see like what these are reselling for. But y'all, this for sure pays for the box. This is awesome. And again, it's blue. Oh my gosh, this is great. Okay, I'm loving this box. I love when the boxes are themed. And of course, I love when we get good items. Okay, so, all right, next. We have a pair of socks, of course. What's a fun box without some socks? These say sports socks. It says Martha's Vineyard. These are in a large, extra large. And I don't know. I don't know if the brand is sports socks or the brand is the black dog. I really don't know. Oh, yes. Okay, here we go. The black dog socks. That's the brand. And these are so cute, you guys. They're striped in different colors. And they have a little dog here. I love that. Okay, so a large, extra large for men would be a 9.5 to a 14. And then for women, it would be an 11 to 13. That doesn't make any sense. I don't know. That's what it says, you guys. right there. So if anyone's interested in these, we'll just say $3 on these. These are really nice though, really nice. Okay. A few more items left. Hello. We got some jewelry, you guys. All right, y'all know I love my jewelry, and it's blue. This is cool. We have a huge statement necklace. I don't see any branding or anything, but we have a black and blue cord, and y'all look at that. That is gorgeous. You've got these really cool, I don't even know what these are. It's not a stone, but they're not plastic, these inset things here. So I'm not sure. This is so cool. I love this. Okay, if anyone's interested in this, okay, we will just say $3 on it, okay? There is a pair of earrings right there. So I will throw those in with the necklace. So $3, really cool, blue, gold, and black. Really blingy necklace, actually. All right, we've got what I think, oh Lord. You guys, I got some coins. You know, I love coins. It's very heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got some coins, you guys. I may have to edit part of that out because it's really loud. This is so cool. This does have a tag. It says India Arts. Again, I may edit part of this out because these coins are really loud. So I'm assuming this is something that you might wear to like a wedding or something like that. Like in India or in the Indian culture, I'm not sure. This is really beautiful, you guys. I will have to look this up and give a price on the screen. It does have some decent weight to it. There's a lot of coins on here, you guys. This is beautiful. Okay. All right, I'm going to save the piece I'm most excited about for the end. Next up, we got some gibbets, I think, you guys. I love little gibbets for the Crocs. Yay. First up, we got this one. It's like a little boom box. That's really cute. $3. And I don't know, are these actually Crocs? Yes, these are actually the Crocs brand gibbets. Okay. They are new with tags. We have one that says half baked, $3. And this one's not branded, but we have a little stitch, you guys, little Disney stitch. I love that. So we'll do, since these are branded, we'll do $3 each, $2 for the stitch, or if you want all of them, I'm just going to say like $5 for all. Okay. Yay. That's fun. You guys, I'm really excited because I see a headband and it's blue. I mean, come on. That's perfect. Oh, this one's branded. Oh, you guys. Y'all know I love headbands, obvi. Never have I ever unboxed a Lele Sadoughhi headband. And I just did. You guys, I got my first Lele Sadoughhi headband in a mystery box. This is so exciting. These are expensive. Okay. Cami over at Cami's Craftiques gifted me one. Thank you so much, Cami. If you're not familiar with Cami's channel, I'll make sure to link it above. Go check it out. She sent me a bunch of headbands. They're amazing. And one of them was a Lele Sadoughhi. And that's my first one I've actually ever owned. And this is the first one I've ever unboxed. So exciting, you guys. Let me know what you thought of this amazing fun box. You guys, this one made me really happy, if you can't tell. And I don't know. I just thought this was a really good and fun box, and I will definitely make a profit on this one. If you're not subscribed to the channel, y'all, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I will be back next week on Tuesday. I'm going to be opening another Goodwill jewelry jar. And then on Thursday, I will be back for another Thredup Thursday. Bye, y'all.